Welcome back to another SQL tutorial. In this lesson, we will talk about the OR operator. This is used in the where clause to filter records when at least one condition is true. Let's get started. What is the SQL OR operator? The OR operator allows you to combine two or more conditions in a query. If any condition is true, the record will be included in the result. Basic syntax: select column 1 and column 2 from table name where condition 1 or condition 2. Demonstration using the Northwind database. Example number 1. Select customer from Germany or France. Select customer name, country from customers, where country equals Germany or country equals France. This will return customers who are from Germany or France. Example number 2. Select products with price less than 20 or units in stock less than 10. This will show products that have a price less than 20 or have less than 10 units in stock. Example number 3. Select orders where the customer ID is 90 or the order date is after January 1, 1997. Select order ID, customer ID, and order date from orders. This will return orders where the customer ID is 90 or the order date is after January 1, 1997. Conclusion: the OR operator is helpful when you want to select records that meet at least one condition. In the next lesson, we'll learn about the NOT operator, which is used to include certain conditions. See you there!